Hey guys, so I'm engraving these large cutting boards. When I say large, they're around 11 by 17. Unfortunately, that is larger than the surface area on this X-Tool M1. So let me show you what I do to help me locate it and to keep it centered and square inside the laser. Okay, this board measures 10 and 5/8. So I'm going to go 5 1/16 after I put some tape on. So what I do is just put the tape on the edge of the board and keep it straight. Then we're going to measure down 5 1/16 from the edge. Then I'm going to come back with a Sharpie Let's go to the laser, see what that looks like inside the box. The laser is in open plane mode, so we can slide something in. So I'm just going to slide that in. And I'm basically going to square that up and I'll come right back. So here's what we look like inside the laser. See the tape? In the actual camera of the software, it only sees the left side. So I need to shift the wooden cutting board to the left about 1/2 inch to where the blue tape shows up in the picture. Now you can see that, let me zoom in here. Now you can see that the picture, you can see the tape, how it's level, about the same distance on the left and the right. And how the engraving is centered. In this instance, I would actually take my image. See those black marks on the left? We're going to center that. That's what we're calling the halfway mark. And see how the black marks on the right and the left line up with the text? That's how you can align your engraving. So let me know if this helped you out. If it did, I'd appreciate a comment. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.